welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a wig install. My name is Kimmy K if you do not already know. So this wig was sent to me from Aaron21. Starting out, they did send me some deep conditioner. It is the Verity Oil Deep Conditioner, and this conditioner is supposed to help rebuild, moisturize, and rehydrate the hair. So they do give you a lot of this moisturizer to help you. They're trying to help you with the longevity of the wig, so I do like to give you a lot so that you are able to help your hair last for a very long time. So starting now, this wig is going to have two combs in the front, one comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it does come with a elastic band if you do want to use that. The hair is going to be like a natural kinky curly texture. It is silky and it's going to be 21 inches. I did get the size cap 1, which is just the standard average cap size, and it does have the 4 inches of lace part, so it is a 13 by 4 lace part wig. So this wig, it does come with baby hairs in the front, and it is supposed to be pre-plucked, but it does look like it needs to be a little bit more plucked. Right now I am going to go ahead and tint the lace with my foundation. I am using the CoverGirl Help Your Elixir foundation in this color Tawny. After that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the ear tab so that it is easier for me to go ahead and apply my unit. The lace on this wig, it has like a ashy gray kind of tint to it, and I was scared that it would not blend into my skin, but it actually did blend into the skin easily, which I am very shocked about. So you do see the lace is a ashy gray kind of color, but once you apply your foundation, it does go into the skin very well. So for this wig, my hairline is a low hairline, and the way the wig is set up, it kind of goes backwards instead of forward. So I did cut slits into the lace so that I can kind of pull it down to get it to kind of be close to my hairline as possible. And that was like the only con I had with this unit, is that I could not, pull it down on my hairline, which is not a con. It's just a wig that, I can't wear because of my hairline. I did make it work though, as you will see in this video. And you see, like, oh my god, my hair was out on the sides. It was out. But the curls on this unit are so freaking pretty. Oh my god, the curls on this hair are so freaking pretty. So I'm just basically tying this wig down, and then I'm going back in my freeze spray to spray any spots that may have come back up. And so after that, I'm just going to apply baby hairs. I'm just applying baby hairs where my natural hairline is. Like I said, where the spots that my hair is poking out at, I'm going to be applying baby hairs in those sections. Nothing major. And do y'all see what I mean by the lace? The lace is looking so freaking good, and I was freaking shocked. After that, I'm just going to be applying my powder on top, just to kind of give it a more seamless blend. I think on camera it looked good, but when I was looking at it, I kind of looked like I needed a little bit more powder. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and fluff these curls out. Doing this, I did get a lot of shedding. When I was washing the hair, and I did not say this in the beginning, I did bleach the knots. The knots do not come bleached. So when I was washing the hair, I don't recall getting any shed when I was washing the hair. But when I was going ahead and, I guess, detangling the curls, like breaking them apart, I did get a lot of shedding. I did not get any tangling doing this also, but I did get a lot of shedding. Like, do y'all see those curls? The curls on this wig is just so freaking pretty to me. And so after I pulled those curls apart, I did use my foam and wrap mousse to go ahead and kind of tame them down just a little bit, but not too much. And after I did that, I did just go ahead and frame the front just a little bit. And this wig right here was really not much to do at all with this unit. Like, this unit is so freaking pretty. I just wish it fit my hairline, but that was not a big issue to me. So I do thank Aaron21 for sending me out this wig. So make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will see you guys in my next video.